So I'm going to be doing a quick comparison with the Dewalt Power Stack. This is a 1.7 amp hour battery. Okay, it has 30.6 watt hours. This thing is teeny tiny, so it's great for lightweight jobs if you're using an impact driver all day. So this is the Flex stacked lithium battery, 24 volt. So the Dewalt is 20 volt. So this is a Flex 6 amp hour stacked lithium battery. It's huge and it's super heavy, but it should last a very, very long time. The max output and wattage is 1920, so it's a very powerful battery. It lasts a very long time. As you can see, it's fully charged. So I have used this. I've probably done a couple hundred screws, Phillips 3-inch and Starbit 3-inch wood screws, no problem. Still full battery. So right here I have the original Flex 2.5 amp hour non-stacked lithium. I've probably done the same amount of screws with it, and it was fully charged at the same time this one was, the stacked lithium, and it's already down a bar. So this one I have used numerous times with the Flex multi-tool. This thing is amazing. It's great. I have a Milwaukee, I've used Makita, I've used all sorts of brands. This one is probably my favorite multi-tool. It's easy to adjust. The vibration is really low. It's really fast. It's really powerful. I honestly think it has a better balance with the 6 amp hour battery than the 2.5 amp hour non-stacked lithium, and it would be way better for runtime. So I've used this for cutting drywall, chiseling some wood, different things like that, sanding, and this does not last that long. The Milwaukee 18 volt multi-tool will last much longer, but it's also a 5 amp hour battery. So I'm wanting to test the 6.5 stacked lithium with the multi-tool and see how well it does. I really like it. The Flex impact driver, I got this with the stacked lithium impact driver kit. It came with a very nice box, as you can see, and I got the multi-tool with the kit as well, and these are the chargers that you get with it. So with the 6 amp hour multi-tool kit, you get the 280 rapid charger, and with the non-stacked lithium multi-tool with the 2.5, you get the 160. I will tell you that this 280 watt charger is the fastest, best charger I have. I have a bunch of Milwaukee, Makita 18 volt and 40 volt. So this charger is faster than the 40 volt chargers, and the 40 volt Makita chargers are very fast and very effective. This one is very, very fast and very effective, but it is pretty large. So it's a little bigger than the 40 volt. The 160 Flex charger is still very quick comparative to many other brands, but I'm really excited to use this 280 watt charger more frequently. The Power Stack honestly took quite a while to charge. This 6 amp hour battery from Flex charged faster on the 280 than the 1.7 amp hour battery on the Dewalt charger. That may depend on what charger you're using as well, and this battery has been great. I've used it to drill many holes and put many screws in, and it's still at full capacity. I've been using it with the 20 volt brushless max Dewalt drill, and it's the same size. It's teeny tiny, especially when you compare the two. it's closer to the 2.5 amp hour, but even then it's still way smaller. So if you're going for small and compact size, especially with an impact driver, the smallest you're gonna get is probably the Atomic Dewalt with the stacked battery. I really like my 40-volt Makita impact driver though. The Flex impact driver, I'm very new to it, and I'm testing it out. There are some nice features to it. It's very different, it's very quick, it's very fast, it's very efficient. But with the 6.0 amp hour stacked lithium battery, it's very, very heavy, and it creates a lot of fatigue on your wrist, especially when you're driving down. So you're having to counterbalance all the weight to go down. When you're going straight into drywall or anything, it's not going to be too bad. But if you're on the ground, like building flats or anything, or studying things out, it's going to fatigue your wrist very quickly. And it's kind of hard to get off for some reason. I think it's because it's pretty new. So I do like both of the stacked lithium batteries so far. It's going to be really interesting to see how they do over time. I know in the next few months, probably be putting a few thousand screws in with these tools to see how they run, and then how long the battery lasts. As of right now, the most effective battery platform that I've used for using an impact driver all day is the Makita 40-volt. I think this one with the 6 amp hour is going to last way longer. I think it'll take probably a couple weeks to drain it completely. So that's going to be really interesting to see. And I really want to test the Dewalt stacked lithium battery, maybe drilling into concrete with the hammer drill, and see how well that does, especially over long periods of time. But I think they're both very good. The price points are drastically different. So the Dewalt kit was about $100 cheaper than the Flex, but I think you get a better bang for your buck with the Flex because you get the 6 amp hour battery, impact driver, and a really good charger with a really nice case. This case, of course, is not nearly as durable as the Milwaukee pack out. I have not tried the Flex stack pack yet. I would like to try that and see how well that does, but I think they're very good tools, and the batteries are very cool, and I think they're gonna modernize power tools for the future, and I look forward to seeing how durable these are and their recharging capabilities and power capabilities over time. So thank you, and I'll catch you on the next one.